performance and dedication in representing the North Subic District Council Youth Alive at the National Bible Quiz held on August 25, 2025. A remarkable achievement, a second runner-up among 16 participating districts, has brought honor and pride to the North Subic District Council, demonstrating excellence, faith, and commitment to God's Word. Given this 23rd day of October 2025, again, the First Assembly of God Church, signed, District Superintendent Reverend Woody.
Then, natay upcoming activities